This is a McCulloch MC 1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner, Gallion Quartz Q² and Leather Cleaner. It is safe for all leather types. Remove dirt and oil from all leather to prepare for protection. This is a autofiber ceramic coating applicator sponge. Does not change finish of your upholstery and repels dirt and liquid. Gallion Quartz Leather Shield 50 ml. Ceramic coating based formula. Specially developed for automotive. Leather upholstery. Works on both natural and man-made. Leather furniture and interiors. Advanced CIO to ceramic coating for leather. It is amazingly simple to apply and requires only one layer. Designed and tested on all modern types of leather, providing great protection and no change of feel or color. Leather shield does not stiffen or make the leather more slippery after application, maintaining the regular comfort use. Apply a moderate amount of the product with the attached suede applicator. Ensure even application. Wipe off if necessary or just leave to dry. It provides superb protection against dirt, UV rays, and the rigors of everyday usage.